What's going on, guys? Andrew back with another watch list today, and I'm just going to go over the ticker we went over yesterday, which was NEO. And NEO, it's having a very nice day once again. We saw some solid continuation from yesterday, and now we are kind of just consolidating between two support and resistance areas, which I'm expecting a breakup, of course. So it bounced off 45.33 area that I had pretty close. It was almost a spot on, as you can see here. Probably just a few cents short, but yeah, it still looks really good. I still think we're going to test 48 relatively soon, and yeah, that one went well, and it's just gonna continue on for the rest of the week. So nothing else to say there because we're still in the play. And so my favorite ticker for this week is going to be C Limited, or for today. As you can see here, we had this descending wedge pattern, and it broke actually right at a perfect trend line. So if we zoom out here, you can see that this trend line started back in November, the beginning of November, and it touched here again, and it's bouncing here again, and it had a really nice bounce here. So when two patterns align like that, I really like it. It gives it like a extra confirmation. So I really like this play. I think a good entry level would be near 192. That's probably going to be your best bet. Yeah, around 192. If you can get lower, if you can even get on this trend line, that'd be really good. I'm not sure if we're going to actually test that again, but that would definitely be your ideal entry. I'm really liking this. I think we test 200 later in the week, but it looks really good if you want to get an entry there. And I also want to talk about an intraday trade that we made. If you didn't see it, it was in the Discord. Unfortunately, I didn't see this last night, or else I would have had it on the watch list. But DraftKings here, it broke a really big level. I saw it had some huge volume in the beginning of the day. So I saw it, and it broke a huge level right here of 51.8. And so we entered around 51.8 here, and then we actually did get faked out. So we rejected 52.7 really hard and came back down. I did not stop loss out though because it held my support here. As you see, it didn't even come down all the way to it. My stop loss would have been under 50, but we held that, and then we just kept a really nice and steady uptrend throughout the rest of the day today, and we made a really nice trade on that. My next price target would be 54.79 if it gets there, but we are only holding on to one runner, so I think it's going to be a while before it gets there, but definitely it's a really nice momentum, some really good volume compared to the past few days, and it was definitely a really nice breakout play, as you guys can see. I just wanted to show it. I just wanted to show kind of what I was seeing, as it just broke through a really big resistance level, so I thought it was a really good spot to take, especially with the high volume here. And Lulu that we had on the watch list earlier this week is now actually breaking out from this level that I expected. So that's looking really good here, and we just have plenty of room to go up to our ultimate price target of 400. So just wanted to point out that it's breaking out. It's doing really well right now. It had a little consolidation phase in between these two levels, but now that it's breaking out, I'm really liking this still. But other than that, guys, I have nothing else to say for today. That's going to be my favorite ticker, which is going to be SE. Definitely keep this one on watch. Hopefully, if you can get in near the bottom of this trend line, that's going to be your best entry. I think it looks really good, especially with the confluence and multiple bullish patterns with the bounce of the uptrend pattern and the descending wedge breakout. So other than that, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe. We've been getting a decent amount of subscribers, so I appreciate you all. Make sure you join the Discord if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.